If you want to travel without the worry of losing control, then you don't need to buy a bigger tow vehicle. You need to buy a better hitch. Hi, I'm James, owner of TowSafe, and I know how important it is for you to feel safe and in control when traveling with your loved ones. Have you ever altered your trip route to avoid windy bridges or highways because you've experienced sway or lost control of your camper? Did the guy that sold you the camper tell you that a basic weight distribution hitch should be all you need? That's why I'm here to introduce the new Ultimate Hensley Arrow, a best-in-class premium hitch designed to completely eliminate sway. Other companies can't even compete. It would be like comparing a steam engine to a diesel. And here's why the Ultimate Hensley Arrow stands above the rest. Complete sway elimination. Our patented technology locks out rotation at the ball coupler, moving the point of rotation forward 56 inches over the rear axle of the towing vehicle, making it feel more like a fifth wheel when towing. The key to our design is a strut system. Our unique strut design attaches to the frame of your camper to eliminate sway before it starts, ensuring your camper stays steady even in high winds. We like to say we're strutting our stuff. Unmatched strength. The Ultimate Hensley Arrow is now a true Class 4 hitch. It's rated for up to 16,000-pound campers and a 1,600-pound tongue weight, making it the highest rated hitch in its class. The Ultimate Hensley Arrow does it all, allowing you to pull anything from ultralight up to the heaviest campers on the market. Easy installation. The installation is also best in class. There's no drilling, no hassle, and just a one-time installation of 90 minutes or less. Once installed, the hitch stays on the camper, and there's no need to uninstall after unhooking from your tow vehicle. Durable design. Our advanced manufacturing and two-stage coating process means increased paint durability and resistance to rock strikes. Upgrade to the Ultimate Hensley Arrow today and travel safely with confidence. We're so confident in the Ultimate Hensley Arrow that we offer a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee and a full lifetime warranty. We like to say that the Ultimate Hensley Arrow is the only hitch you'll ever have to buy. Click the link below and make your next trip your best trip.